Welcome to the beginner video series for the GRE. This is the second video on rate and time. If you have not watched the first part, please go through it before continuing with this video. In this video, we are going to do two questions on rate and time. These two questions were given as homework in the first video.
A good time for you to get angry.
That's my secret, Cap. I'm always angry. Hold on.
Let's try the first one. You have Iron Man, Captain America and Hulk. Iron Man can defeat Doombot army in 4 days working alone. Similarly, Captain America takes 5 days alone and Hulk takes 6 days alone. If all of them work together, how much time will it take? In these questions, we have to assume total work as something. Okay, or in this context, we have to assume the total size of the army as something. It's convenient to take total as either the product of 4, 5, 6 or the LCM of 4, 5, 6. Let's take total as product of 4, 5 and 6, which is 120. Okay, or there are 120 soldiers in the Doombot army. If Iron Man alone can defeat 120 soldiers in 4 days, he defeats 120 upon 4, which is 30 soldiers per day. Okay, if he can defeat 120 soldiers in 4 days, he can defeat 30 soldiers per day. This is the rate of Iron Man. Similarly, Captain America defeats 120 soldiers in 5 days. In 1 day, he defeats 120 upon 5, 24. Similarly, Hulk defeats 120 in 6 days. So in 1 day, he defeats 120 upon 6, 20. These are the individual rates. If all of them work together, they will defeat 30 plus 24 plus 20, 74 soldiers per day if all of these work together. We know work is equal to rate times time. The total work to be done is 120. They have to defeat 120 soldiers together. And the rate is 74. The combined rate is 24 of all of them, Iron Man, Captain America and Hulk. And we have to determine the time taken. The time that they will take is 120 upon 74 days. Okay, which comes to approximately 1.62 days. If all work together, they will take 1.62 days to defeat the Doombot army.
So I've been analyzing the gem. Inside, you may recognize
Jarvis?
Doctor.
started out, Jarvis was just a natural language UI. Now he runs the Iron Legion. He runs more of the business than anyone besides Pepper.
Oh.
Top of the line.
Yes?
I suspect not for long.
Meet the competition.
It's beautiful.
Let's do the second one now. We are given that Jarvis produces coins at a uniform rate of 160 every 40 minutes. So 160 coins in 40 minutes. So in 1 minute, he must produce 160 upon 40, 4 coins. So the rate of Jarvis is 4 coins per minute. Let's talk about Friday. Friday produces 100 coins in 20 minutes. So in 1 minute, he must produce 100 upon 20, which is 5. 5 coins in 1 minute. So his rate is 5 coins per minute. If both work together, they will produce 9 coins per minute. And we are asked, they have to produce 200 coins. How much time will they take? Work is equal to rate times time. The total work they have to do is 200. They have to produce 200 coins. And their combined rate is 9. And we have to find T. T is 200 upon 9 minutes. Okay. If they work together to produce 200 coins, they will take 200 upon 9 minutes. With this, we come to the conclusion of this video. I'll see you in the next one, which will be again on rate and time.